OpenAI expands Codex beyond coding, a major push into white-collar work. OpenAI has taken a significant step toward transforming how businesses use artificial intelligence by launching 6 new Codex plugins designed specifically for professional and enterprise work. While Codex originally gained popularity as a coding assistant for software developers, OpenAI now wants to position it as a broader productivity platform capable of helping investment bankers, sales teams, product designers, analysts, marketers, and other knowledge workers automate complex tasks. The move highlights OpenAI's growing focus on the enterprise market and signals a new phase in the AI industry where competition is no longer centered only on coding tools but on automating large portions of office work across multiple industries. OpenAI's enterprise ambitions grow. The announcement reflects OpenAI's strategy to capture a larger share of the rapidly expanding enterprise AI market. Businesses worldwide are increasingly looking for ways to use artificial intelligence to improve efficiency, reduce operational costs, and accelerate decision-making. OpenAI believes that while coding assistants have already proven their value, the next major opportunity lies in helping professionals outside the software industry perform their daily work faster and more effectively. According to OpenAI, Codex has grown dramatically since the launch of its desktop application earlier this year. The platform now serves more than 5 million weekly active users, representing growth of more than 6 times compared to its early adoption phase. Although software developers remain the largest user group, OpenAI reports that knowledge workers now make up roughly 20% of its user base. More importantly, this segment is expanding at a much faster rate than traditional developer usage, suggesting that demand for AI-powered workplace automation is accelerating. 6 specialized plugins target professional workflows. To meet this growing demand, OpenAI has introduced 6 specialized Codex plugins focused on different professional domains. These plugins cover areas such as data analytics, creative production, sales operations, product design, equity investing, and investment banking. Unlike traditional chatbots that simply answer questions, these plugins are designed to perform workflow-oriented tasks. They combine instructions, contextual information, and integrations with external tools to help users complete work that closely resembles the responsibilities of professionals in those fields. For example, an investment banking plugin may help prepare financial models, analyze company data, organize research materials, and assist with presentation creation. A sales-focused plugin could help teams manage customer information, identify sales opportunities, generate outreach content, and analyze performance metrics. Product design tools may assist with brainstorming, user experience planning, documentation, and collaboration processes. OpenAI says these plugins are designed to provide immediate value even without customization. However, companies can further tailor them to fit their specific business processes, allowing the AI to become more deeply integrated into existing workflows. Codex evolves from developer tool to digital coworker. One of the most important aspects of this announcement is OpenAI's effort to redefine what Codex represents. Previously viewed primarily as a programming assistant, Codex is now being positioned as a digital coworker capable of supporting professionals across many industries. OpenAI recently published a report titled "The Next Era of Knowledge Work," which argues that AI is increasingly capable of handling routine professional tasks that traditionally consume significant amounts of employee time. These tasks include data analysis, document preparation, research gathering, presentation building, content creation, and various forms of administrative work. The company's vision is that AI will not simply answer questions but actively help employees complete meaningful tasks. By removing repetitive work and reducing bottlenecks, OpenAI believes organizations can improve productivity while allowing employees to focus on higher-level strategic responsibilities. Intensifying competition between OpenAI and Anthropic. The launch also highlights the growing rivalry between OpenAI and Anthropic. Both companies are aggressively pursuing enterprise customers as they seek new revenue streams beyond consumer-facing AI chatbots. Earlier this year, Anthropic introduced a range of industry-specific AI agents aimed particularly at financial institutions. In May, The company unveiled 10 specialized agents capable of handling tasks commonly performed in finance departments and investment firms. These agents can assist with preparing pitch books, drafting credit memorandums, managing accounting processes, and supporting financial operations. Anthropic has also expanded partnerships with banks, financial data providers, and enterprise software companies. Its strategy focuses heavily on embedding AI directly into financial workflows, where efficiency gains can translate into substantial cost savings. OpenAI's latest announcement appears to be a direct response to this trend. However, rather than concentrating exclusively on finance, OpenAI is targeting a broader range of professions and industries. The company wants Codex to become a universal workplace assistant that can adapt to different business functions. Finance becomes the biggest AI battleground. The financial sector has emerged as one of the most important testing grounds for enterprise AI adoption. Banks, investment firms, and financial institutions process enormous amounts of information every day, making them ideal candidates for automation. Recent reports indicate that major financial institutions have already begun experimenting extensively with AI-powered systems. Goldman Sachs, for example, has reportedly been working with Anthropic to develop AI agents capable of assisting with transaction accounting, trade operations, client onboarding, due diligence reviews, and other internal functions. Financial firms believe AI can significantly reduce the time required to complete many operational tasks. Instead of spending hours gathering information, organizing documents, and preparing reports, employees may soon be able to delegate much of that work to intelligent AI systems. OpenAI's new banking and investment-related plugins suggest the company sees enormous potential in this market. By helping finance professionals automate routine work, OpenAI hopes to become a key technology provider for some of the world's largest organizations. New Sites feature creates interactive web experiences. Alongside the plugin launch, OpenAI introduced a new feature called Sites. This capability allows Codex to transform its outputs into fully hosted interactive websites rather than simply generating local files or static documents. The feature represents a significant upgrade because users can now create shareable web-based experiences directly from AI-generated content. Instead of receiving a report or presentation file, users can receive an interactive website that others can access and explore online. To support this functionality, OpenAI has partnered with major technology platforms including Wix, Replit, and Figma. These partnerships indicate OpenAI's intention to build a broader ecosystem around enterprise AI workflows. The Sites feature could be particularly useful for businesses creating dashboards, project updates, product demonstrations, internal knowledge portals, and customer-facing presentations. Annotations bring better context and accuracy. OpenAI has also launched a new feature called Annotations. This functionality allows users to highlight specific sections of documents, files, or content before assigning tasks to Codex. By directing the AI's attention to relevant portions of a document, users can provide more precise context. This helps Codex understand exactly which information is important, potentially improving the quality, relevance, and accuracy of its outputs. Context remains one of the most important factors affecting AI performance. Features like annotations help reduce misunderstandings and allow the system to deliver responses that are more closely aligned with user intentions. For businesses handling large volumes of documents, contracts, reports, or research materials, this capability could significantly improve workflow efficiency. OpenAI strengthens its enterprise infrastructure. The Codex expansion arrives shortly after OpenAI announced the OpenAI Deployment Company, a new initiative supported by more than $4 billion in funding from global investment firms. The venture is focused on helping organizations integrate OpenAI's technologies directly into their operations. This investment demonstrates growing confidence from major financial institutions and investors that enterprise AI will become a major driver of future business productivity. Rather than viewing AI as a standalone chatbot, companies increasingly see it as infrastructure that can be embedded into core business systems. OpenAI's leadership believes the next challenge is not building more powerful AI models, but helping organizations deploy those models effectively within their existing workflows, software systems, and operational structures. The bigger picture: AI's expanding role in office work. The broader significance of this announcement goes beyond OpenAI's new plugins. It reflects a major shift in how artificial intelligence is being adopted across the economy. The first generation of generative AI tools focused primarily on content creation and coding assistance. The next generation aims to automate increasingly sophisticated forms of professional work. Tasks such as financial analysis, sales support, product planning, research compilation, presentation creation, and operational management are gradually becoming areas where AI can provide meaningful assistance. While these systems are unlikely to replace entire professions in the near future, they are increasingly capable of handling portions of work that previously required significant human effort. As competition between OpenAI, Anthropic, and other AI companies intensifies, businesses are likely to gain access to increasingly specialized AI tools designed for specific industries and workflows. The result could be a fundamental transformation in how organizations operate, with AI becoming an essential collaborator across nearly every department. Conclusion: OpenAI's launch of 6 new Codex plugins marks an important milestone in the evolution of enterprise AI. By expanding beyond software development and targeting fields such as investment banking, sales, analytics, and product design, the company is positioning Codex as a powerful workplace assistant capable of automating a wide range of professional tasks. Combined with new features like sites and annotations, the announcement demonstrates OpenAI's ambition to become a central player in the future of workplace productivity. As AI companies race to secure enterprise customers, the battle is increasingly shifting from coding assistance toward full-scale automation of knowledge work. The coming years will likely determine which companies succeed in becoming the primary AI partners for businesses around the world.